Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Have you ever heard the saying, less is more? Well, this can also apply to manifesting. It's very easy to get caught up in the hype of manifestation and try to put in all sorts of effort to make our desires come to fruition. But sometimes, it's actually the opposite that works best. Today's video teaches you how to manifest your desires without overexerting and running yourself ragged. But first, if you're new to our channel, let's review the concept of manifesting. Manifesting is the process of bringing something into your life through the power of your thoughts and beliefs. Essentially, it's about focusing on what you want and taking steps to manifest it into your reality. This can be anything from a specific goal or desire to a feeling or state of being. By aligning your thoughts and energy with your desired outcome, you can attract it into your life. It's like putting out a request to the universe and then taking action to align yourself with that request. It's that action step that tends to overwhelm people. But don't worry, we'll show you how it's possible to slow down, pause, and use simple tools to aid in the manifestation process. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. This channel is sure to raise your vibration and help you manifest your desires. Now, when it comes to manifesting, we must learn to let go of our illusion of control. The only thing we truly have control over is our thoughts, and you can't outwork your negative thoughts. You can do all the work in the world, but ultimately, the vibrational energy of the universe decides what comes into your life. So instead of constantly worrying about your manifestation and trying to force it to happen, try letting go and allowing the universe to do its thing. Of course, letting go is one of the more challenging processes to master. So here are some tips to help with that. Try to spend some time thinking about things other than your manifestation. This could be anything from hobbies or activities you enjoy to spending time with loved ones or engaging in self-care. By focusing on other things, you're taking the pressure off yourself and allowing the universe to work its magic. Now, this may sound counterintuitive. After all, we've been conditioned to think that more work equals more results. But at its core, the universe loves balance. Unfortunately, we create an imbalance when we obsess over the outcome or overwork ourselves. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but if I'm not constantly thinking about my manifestation, how is it ever going to happen? Well, here's the thing. When you're constantly thinking about your manifestation and trying to force it to happen, you're putting up a barrier that can prevent it from coming. By stressing and obsessing over it, you're sending out negative energy that can block your manifestation from manifesting. When we trust the universe, we open up the energy. When we force things to happen on our timeline, we're essentially saying that we don't trust the universe and are operating from a place of lack and negativity. So if you find yourself overwhelmed by your desire, it's essential to take a step back and give yourself some time to relax and reset. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, going for a walk, or listening to some calming music. Whatever helps you to feel more centered and at peace, that is what you must do. Now, speaking of music, did you know that it can be a very powerful tool for manifesting? Music can alter our mood and state of mind, and certain types of music can even raise our vibration and bring us into a more positive and receptive state. So if you're feeling stuck or uninspired when it comes to your manifestation, try incorporating uplifting or relaxing music into your routine. It makes all the difference. In summary, less effort can lead to more results in manifesting. Instead of constantly stressing and forcing things to happen, try letting go and allowing the universe to do its thing. Spend some time thinking about something other than your manifestation. And if you find yourself getting overwhelmed, take some time to relax and reset. And don't forget the power of music. It can be a powerful tool for manifesting and raising your vibration. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.